shape naming game. Triangle with three straight sides, like a mountain, tall and wide. Pizza slice or party hat, three sharp corners, just like that. Triangle with three straight sides, find one now with your bright eyes. Rectangle, long and wide, like a door you walk inside. Books and tables, they're this shape, let's all draw one, no mistake. Rectangle, long and wide, so many shapes are hard to hide. Shapes are fun for me and you. Let's find circles, squares and two, triangles and rectangles bright. Playing shapes is such delight. Shapes are fun for me and you. Learning them is what we do.